Hi everyone, if you're watching this, you're likely serious about moving to France. I'm Susie, and the absolute best part about starting this channel is the chance that I've had to connect with so many of you, either virtually or in person, people who are navigating this exact process. I realized that to be able to move beyond just general advice and in order to be able to help the really serious planners, I needed to find a way to be able to give personalized, structured guidance. That's why I'm excited to tell you about a few structured services that I have designed to meet your individual needs. I've taken my over 17 years of on-the-ground experience, my knowledge, and even access to our short-term rental here in Dijon, and created 3 clear ways I hope I can personally guide you. First, if you feel like you just want to talk to someone who's been through it all already, you can book a personal 55-minute conversation with me. This is focused one-on-one time during which you can ask me anything about life in France. We can discuss different places in France that you're considering, your specific budget, housing realities, cultural integration, language learning, work opportunities, school options, and more. You can scan the QR code here or click on the link in the video description below if you would like to book a call with me. Next, for those of you who are ready to visit Dijon, I offer the Dijon Test Drive, a 4-hour local tour. This is a great way to get an understanding of the different neighborhoods and suburbs. I'll personally drive you around so you can see how Dijon is laid out and understand the logistics of daily life. Plus, you can pick my brain during the entire visit, and I'll be sharing my 17 years of knowledge with you throughout the tour. To book your tour, you can scan the QR code here or click on the link in the video description below. And finally, for those who are ready for the most comprehensive, hands-on support, I've created multi-day Dijon stay packages. This is my highest level of guidance, and it's designed to give you an authentic taste of what living in Dijon is really like. I offer 2 options, the 4-day Dijon discovery stay or the 15-day Dijon immersion stay. Both packages include accommodation here in our 5-star air-conditioned short-term rental unit, plus the Dijon test drive tour and in-person one-on-one support during your entire stay. For more information, scan the QR code here or click on the link in the video description below. This YouTube endeavor has been a wonderful experience for me as well. I am truly grateful for your continued support and encouragement. And now I'm excited to finally be able to offer this structured, personalized guidance in addition to my YouTube videos. Merci encore et peut-être à bientôt à Dijon. Thanks again, and hopefully see you soon in Dijon.